What's up everyone, welcome back to the series Lockdown and Grow, and I'm Anthony. So today, the video we will talk about the new topic. This is about stock. So actually the topic stock that I didn't talk a lot before, but today this video I want to share with you about the updated information about the stock of Uber in the second quarter in 2020. And in general, this company, they lost $1.78 billion in the second quarter. So more specific, in the revenue of Uber in this quarter, they get $2.24 billion, and their net income is lost $1.78 billion. And on earning per share, this stock, they lost $1.02 per share. So when we just have a look in this number, we will think that okay, this stock Uber right now is not a good stock to invest. But actually, when we look at the bigger picture, and when I go to deeper analysis about this stock, I recognize that we have several very good signals that we can use to see that this stock is super potential for us to invest. And I will share for you in this video about why the reason that I think that this stock is really potential for us to invest during this time, or maybe you can invest later on in this year. So the first thing that we see, this is when we just have a look in the general, we see okay, in the quarter, just 3 months, Uber, they already lost $1.78 billion. This is insane, right? But when we have a look deeper in the information, on basically the Uber, they have a two-man service. The first one is food delivery and the second one is ride hailing. So in this quarter, when the ride hailing go down rapidly, up to 75% compared to the before, but the profits of the food delivery go up rapidly, up to 113% in this quarter, because the demand of the customer during the pandemic go rapidly. People, they cannot go out to buy the food, and they decide to order more takeaway food, and a lot of store and restaurant also register for deliver food with the Uber. So this reason is make the Uber deliver go rapidly during these 3 months in the pandemic. The second thing is when we see that Uber, they lost $1.78 billion in this quarter. But you also need to know that in the June, Uber already buy the Postmates, the number 4 largest food deliverer in the US, for $2.65 billion. So it's also play an important impact to the net income of Uber in this quarter that go down rapidly. However, when we have a look at the bigger pictures, you can see here in the screen that I show you here. So for the last week, the price of the stock of Uber still go up rapidly. They don't go down. And when we look at the picture of around 6 months, we see that the stock price of Uber, they go down rapidly is on the March, in the middle of the March. So this is the time when the pandemic to be worldwide. So this reason that make all the economy that go down, not only just about Uber. And you see from that moment in the middle of March until now, we see that the Uber stock price does go up rapidly, and it don't have the signal that it will go down again. And now when we consider about the potential of Uber, we see that the demand for the food delivery still go up rapidly, because the pandemic just in the second wave of the pandemic, and it maybe can last for the next couple of months, we don't know. But now Uber not only have this brand, but it also have the Postmates. So it means that two of these biggest food delivery company, they combine together. It means that the Uber now can control a majority part of the food delivery service in US and in global. So based on this information, I recognize that even that people say that Uber in this quarter already lost $1.78 billion, but this is the general position that a lot of companies are facing right now during the pandemic time. However, now Uber get lost also because they have buy the big company Postmates for $2.65 billion. So In this case, Uber they go down one step, but they prepare to go upper for next 3 steps. Because it looks like that the pandemic they will go for next several months, and we all know that when the pandemic does become more serious, the food delivery will still keep going, right? And based on this reason, now Uber and Postmates they combine together. I mean that's the revenue that the Uber that can earn from the food delivery will go up more and more during the next few months in 2020. And thank you so much for watching this video about Uber stock today, and I hope that this will help you to update some new information about the Uber stock, as well as give you a little bit insight about the reasons why company that they get lost in the net income, however their price still go up in the stock market. Thank you so much for spending your time to watch this video about Uber stock, and hope that you guys enjoy this one. And I want to see you here in my new series. This is Lockdown and Grow, where I sharing the new video every single day with you about the new knowledge and about the new information to help us to be better and have the more information about what's going on in the world right now. Okay, and see you here in 3 seconds Lockdown and Grow series. Bye bye.